Amazon organization home hacks that just make your life easier. Hello everyone, welcome to today's Amazon organization video. These are going to be organization finds that you can use anywhere in your home. Also have someone for your car, just organization in general. This is going to cover all of the bases. So little home hacks, just helpful finds that just make your life more organized, which we all love. So like always, everything will be linked down below in the description box and pinned as the top comment in the comment section below so you can shop either way. Let's get started. We have tried a few short shoe organizers from Amazon, and let me tell you, this one is my favorite. So we actually don't wear shoes in the house. So we actually have this organizer right outside in our garage. It's a slim fit, but the problem is shoe organizers like this have been very flimsy. They've broken over time. This one, the quality is amazing. It's nice and sturdy and it holds so many shoes. I love the fact that it has some larger spaces for taller boots as well as smaller spaces for like little kiddo shoes or flats or anything like that. So easy to assemble, has over 2,400 star reviews on Amazon, and it'll just organize all of your family's shoes. With over 11,000 star reviews on Amazon, this is a bestseller. This is going to be a pant organizer, you guys. Game changer. My jean drawer was just like a cluttered mess of jeans all just like put together, and then you lose ones at the bottom of the pile or you forget about them, you know. So this is great because it's just a little hanger that has clips that you can clip your jeans on that can hold them straight across, but then to save space you can actually make it hang down, which still keeps your jeans all organized, keeps them from getting wrinkled, and is just a game changer. And they also do have one for leggings, so you can hang up all your leggings so you can see the styles and the colors that you have. And honestly, I feel like this saves money over time because you remember what you have and you wear more in your closet than if they're all just stacked on top of each other. Under the bed organizers. You guys, these are amazing for out of season sheets, sweaters, jeans, shorts that you might not be wearing during that season. You can snip them up in these. It comes in a pack of 2 and they're called under the bed. But we also will stack these up in our closet, and I'll just like put a little label on the top so I know exactly what it is. And then when the new season comes around, I'll just look through and I'll find exactly what I'm looking for. But it's great because they're slim enough to fit under your bed. This is even great though for random things like wrapping paper and crafts that you might have that you want to be able to just like keep in one little spot. But speaking of bed sheets, I do have this favorite that is specifically for bed sheets. It helps keep them folded, and it has a little label on the front that you can label like spring sheets or guest room king size sheets so that you can be completely organized, because I don't know about you, but with all the different rooms and the kiddos and the sheets, it can easily forget what I have. Then you end up buying more that you don't actually need. You forget what you have. So these organization finds make all of the difference. They do come in 3 different colors: a black, a cream, and a gray. Another bedroom must-have. I discovered these about 2 years ago and cannot rave about them enough. They've gone viral multiple times on social media. These are the drawer organizers. They're amazing for your undergarment drawer, like your underwear, bras, and socks. Also your bathing suits, ladies, all of our 2 pieces and things like that, but also your little kids' dressers. So little socks, shorts, hats they might have, things like that, that so easily just get cluttered in a drawer. You can put in all these little compartments to help keep everything organized, and it also makes doing laundry so much easier. Something else in my bedroom that so easily got cluttered was my jewelry. Necklaces, bracelets, earrings. I'm such an earring girl through and through. And so this little jewelry organizer has made all of the difference. Before, I just kind of had everything like sitting on top of my dresser, and it just was like overwhelming and cluttered. And this is great because it holds everything. And I love the little white tray on the bottom that you can easily throw on like everyday jewelry that you don't want to like hang up, but it can hold necklaces, earrings, and it's just makes all of the difference with your jewelry. Another one you might not be thinking about is a nail polish organizer. I had these all in a bottom drawer a few years back, but then I feel like sometimes that can still look a little bit cluttered. So I found this little organizer. Fits 48 bottles of nail polishes, so I easily fit all of my nail polishes in there. It's a double-sided, and it has a little compartment on the edge as well that you can stick like extra things like a nail filer or a nail polish remover and things like that. So this is easy to slide behind my nightstand. I can put this this under my bed. I can put this in the closet, but helps keep everything organized. Now, let's move on to some like kitchen, counters, drawer organization, because we all know those can get cluttered very, very easily. And I don't want you to feel overwhelmed by this video. Use this as inspiration. Like maybe one day of the week or 1 week I'll tackle my kitchen under the sink. And then the next week I can tackle my bedroom closet, things like that. Take things in strides and it won't make things feel overwhelming. When we moved in, I was like, I am going to start off fresh with organization. And I got these 3-tier under the sink organizers, and I keep these up in my bathroom underneath my vanity, and it holds all of my skincare, all of my extras, things like that. And my under the sink is still like perfect. Everything has a place, and it just makes you feel so good. You don't forget about products that you have. I also really love these clear stackable bins. They're greater for smaller products, or if you just want to use your everyday makeup, they're a pull-out drawer. Use those for organization, but these are also great in your kitchen pantry for organizing things like granola bars, smaller snacks, applesauces, your little kiddos' treats, things like that. They're great for the kitchen as well. So very multi-purpose. If you're looking to kind of put something on your vanity, I have a few options. The first one, I love this for a powder room or just like a guest bathroom. You can put like a little hand towel on there, some soap, some Q-tips, maybe a toothbrush, mouthwash for your guests to use when you come there. And it just looks very beautiful. It tucks in the corner with a 2-tier design, and it's easy to wipe clean with those little trays. Or I would recommend this 360 vanity rotating shelf. And what's so great about this, you guys, one of my most used Amazon finds, this sits on my vanity top, and I always get questions about it on Instagram, but it's great because the shelves are adjustable. So if you have taller skincare products or smaller makeup products, you can adjust them so that you can fit the most on there. And then I'll put like my everyday earrings and necklace on top because I know I reach for them every single day. It's easy to clean, comes in a ton of different color options. You can use this in your own bathroom or in your kiddos' bathrooms. This little swab and Q-tip holder is also really great for little bathroom items like that just can be like really messy. You want to take them out of the plastic bag. I love putting this in our guest room as well, guest bathroom, so they have the option if they forgot something. Over 2,900 star reviews on Amazon. Just another option in case you're interested. They also do have the 360 rotating little organizer. This is also great in your kitchen as well if you want to use this to organize condiments in your refrigerator, different spices you might have up in your cabinet. This is great because it's a 360 rotation. Easy to clean these bins, but again, also bathroom for organizing products. Speaking of kitchen, this has been a bestseller the last couple months. This Lazy Susan fridge organizer is amazing. I feel like in our refrigerator, things can just pile on top of each other. This is amazing because you can put this, it has a no slip grip. You can stick this in your refrigerator. It's a 360 rotation. You can see all of the condiments you have, all of the products, whether you want to put fruit on there, anything. That way things don't go to waste and you can see everything. Another smum mighty find is this cord organizer. It's not great to keep your cords plugged in when you're not using them. And so what's been really helpful, instead of just pulling them out and having them sit on the counter or whatever, is using these cord organizers. There's a little sticker you pull off on the back, you stick it to the back of the appliance, and then you can easily roll up the cord so it's like best and clutter free. And let's talk about some drawer organization. So first of all are going to be these adjustable bamboo dividers. I love these. First of all, you want to go with whatever color matches your drawer. So if you have bamboo unfinished, they have that. If you have white, they have that. If black, they have multiple color options. But what's so great about these is you can use these for silverware. You can use these for like tin foil, parchment paper, things like that you need to organize in a drawer, and they're adjustable. So no matter your drawer size, you're going to be able to adjust it and fit it. And if you want to move it eventually, you know, if you decide to move it to a different drawer, it's easy to move. You don't have to like, oh, will this fit in there? No, it's adjustable. So the dividers range from 17 to 22 inches, comes in 4 color options, and has over 7,600 star reviews on Amazon. Let's talk about some car organization. I have 3 favorites I am so excited to chat about. This car backseat organizer is so great if you have little kiddos. Just for the fact of like holding their toys, holding little items they might have. You can put car necessities in there like diapers, little wipes in there. It's easy to put little snacks on the side if they want, and it just gets all the clutter up off of the seat and the floor that can so easily get cluttered, especially on road trips. So you just attach it to the back seat of your seat and you're good to go. Comes in multiple color options to get whatever color you need to fit your car. And if you're looking for some extra drink storage, these car gap fillers are amazing. You just stick them in between the console and your seat and you have an extra little drink holder. And I also love it because things don't fall between the seat as well. So there's been so many times my husband will have keys or phone in the pocket and it'll fall out and go in between. It's so hard to get. So I love these little car gap fillers. They're amazing. And I don't even use them for drinks. Sometimes when I jump in the car, I'll throw my keys in there, a chapstick, hand sanitizer, whatever. It's just another extra storage to help keep your car organized. These headrest hooks, ladies, are a game changer for diaper bags and purses. And you never know when you drive, if you have to slam on the brakes, your purse will fly forward and everything falls out, which just makes it even more stressful. So these little headrest holders are amazing. And I also like to use these sometimes to even just hold like a little plastic bag or trash bag on if we're on a long road trip that I can put things in. And this little outlet extender also is just the best. Think about high traffic areas in your home, like your living room, your office, your kitchen. This is great. This is an outlet extender. It comes with 3 USB, 1 USB-C port, and then it comes with 5 3-prong outlets. So we love using this in our kitchen when we just have like a lot of things we plug in one area. Also our living room, this has been a game changer. So it just helps keep all of your cords organized and it makes things look less cluttered, which we all love. Also for the laundry room, I love these little bins to just keep, they actually magnet to the side of your like laundry or to your washer or your dryer. And it's great to put like mismatched socks in there if you can't find a match to something, or lint. If you, with the dryer, you can put that away in there. It can act as a little trash can that's up off the floor, which is really nice, especially if you have little kiddos. But saves a ton of space, especially if you don't have a lot in your laundry room. And speaking of socks, if you feel like you're always losing socks in the wash, like your machine eats your socks, check out this sock organizer and then you can throw it in the wash, keeps them on, you can put them in the dryer, and then when you're done, it makes putting laundry away really, really simple. Also really great if your kiddos help you do it because it just keeps everything all in one place and easy to put away. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a future Amazon video. Lots of really great Amazon home videos coming your way you won't want to miss. So see you all next time.